Hello everyone, welcomes to my channel. Today's topic: Yoga to improve brain power. 1. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Steps: sit in a comfortable position. Close the right nostril with your thumb, inhale through the left. Close the left nostril with your ring finger, exhale through the right. Repeat alternately. Benefits: improves oxygen supply to the brain, reduces stress, enhances concentration. 2. Kapalbhati, skull shining breath. Steps: sit upright, inhale deeply. Forcefully exhale by contracting the abdomen. Inhalation happens naturally. Benefits: activates brain cells, sharpens memory, increases focus. 3. Bhramri, be breathing. Steps: sit comfortably, close eyes. Place fingers on ears, inhale deeply. Exhale while making a humming sound like a bee. Benefits: calms the mind, reduces anxiety, improves mental clarity. 4. Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. Steps: lie on your back, lift legs upward. Support your back with hands, keep body straight. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Benefits: increases blood flow to the brain, relieves mental fatigue. 5. Shirshasana, headstand, advanced do under guidance. Steps: kneel down, interlock fingers, place head on the ground. Lift legs slowly upward, balance on head. Hold for a few seconds. Benefits: boosts memory, concentration, and brain activity. 6. Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend. Steps: sit with legs stretched forward. Bend forward, hold toes, try to touch forehead to knees. Benefits: relieves stress, improves focus, calms the nervous system. 7. Padmasana, lotus pose with meditation. Steps: sit cross-legged, place feet on opposite thighs. Rest hands on knees, close eyes, breathe deeply. Benefits: enhances memory, improves concentration, balances emotions. 8. Super Brain Yoga. Steps: stand straight, hold opposite earlobes with crossed arms. Inhale while squatting down, exhale while standing up. Repeat 15 to 20 times. Benefits: activates both hemispheres of the brain, improves learning ability. 9. Nadi Shodhana, channel purification breathing. Steps: similar to Anulom Vilom but slower and deeper. Inhale through one nostril, exhale through the other, repeat. Benefits: balances brain activity, reduces stress, sharpens focus. 10. Shavasana, corpse pose. Steps: lie flat on your back, arms relaxed. Close eyes, breathe naturally, focus on relaxation. Benefits: relieves mental tension, improves memory consolidation, refreshes the brain. Practicing these 10 yoga techniques in sequence, starting with breathing, then poses, ending with relaxation, for 30 to 40 minutes daily can significantly improve brain power, memory, and focus. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.